So we don't have SU to cheer on this week, so let's cheer on meteorologist Peter Hall, who's participating in the meatball eating contest.
We want heat. Let's see you meet.
Pete, what's your goal? How many meatballs?
I don't even remember how. I don't even remember how long it is. I want to say it's maybe 60 seconds. I can't remember.
Yeah, I think that's it. That's
isn't that what it is?
60 second. The clock is ticking. You jam them in, you eat them, and then you feel great after.
Hey, if I win again, maybe I'll get on the sports podcast there. I wouldn't call it the Orange Zone, but I mean, I'll go on any
Meatball
podcast.
Zone.
Yeah.
That's right. All right, so the weather has been incredible, and it continues to be that way. We got to 85 degrees. Let's see where we go next. We're actually going to start you off with a colorful picture. We had mentioned yesterday that tonight would probably be the best chance of seeing the Northern Lights. And listen, I'm not a complete expert on exactly when Northern Lights are going to happen. I just tell you what the experts say from this. It's the Space Prediction Center and anything else. But it looks like we have just as good of a chance tonight. And this is what we saw, or some people saw last night. Some really great shots here from Mexico. This is not Mexico, the country, Mexico, New York. Suzanne, thank you for that picture. And if you happen to see any of those Northern Lights tonight, send us, chime in, see it, send it, right on our website, cnycentral.com. It's about the same potential as we had last night. Again, barely any clouds. I know we have a few clouds, but these are going to be thinning out. The most likely will be up in Canada, but again, like yesterday, there's a chance, especially if you're in one of those darker spots and have a long viewing spot. The further north you go, the better the chance. There it is, 85 today, 10 degrees above average. And while there may be a degree or two variation each and every day, Friday the 13th tomorrow, about the same. And so is this weekend, right around 84, 85, 86. The only reason why I have temperatures slightly lower Wednesday and Thursday is a chance for some clouds and maybe some rain. And that's just, notice I wrote chance and maybe. This is not a sure thing. What I can tell you, though, is it's going to feel like summer through at least early next week. So I mentioned a couple of clouds in the sky right now. Those go away this evening, so it's again clear. Isolated valley fog, if you had any this morning, you'll have it tomorrow morning, and then it burns off. And basically, repeat performance. Sunshine. You'll notice the sun will be a little bit more blotted out by smoke up in the atmosphere. It'll look a little bit white and hazy in the sky as opposed to a deep dark blue. Well, temperatures, though, basically the exact same as what we had today. Now, we've given you already a preview of temperatures. Notice the skies, sunshine, puffy clouds this weekend, and notice the above average temperatures for both lows and highs. We're essentially 80 plus tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. The only weather maker we're watching is a coastal low that's a storm system that's going to form near the Carolinas, and the leftovers of Francine, which won't be tropical anymore, will kind of scoop this up, and perhaps we'll have extra clouds and a chance of rain Wednesday, Thursday, a long ways away. So what you see is what you get. So if you love summer, you're loving this forecast. Stanley Law Skywatch, downtown Syracuse, enjoying the sun back inside.